Dunebuggy job for getting tree branch down.
All right, too late.
Just he's ripping that little light off the front of him.
Okay, we're ready.
Heads up. You're good.
The turn signal's on, that's why.
You're good.
It ain't gonna break, I'm telling you. The rope will break before the dune breaks.
Or something on the dune buggy. Oh. Yeah, he's too low. Maybe that little branch will come off at least. There it comes.
All right, we're success. You almost got in the box.
Broke the rope too.
Where's the rope at?
It's still half is up there and half is on the front of the dune buggy.
We got the bridge!
That'd be funny if that big piece broke and just hung there.
Oh man, no, we gotta get that!
What did we get? We got the broken piece.
Yeah, and we got this.
Okay, well, that rope's staying up there, you know that, right?
Yep. Awesome though.
Bye bye rope.
Every time we come here.
That's the Bob rope.
Luke, every time we come here, that'll be up there.
How was that? Was that fun?
Oh yeah, that was
This will be the second time you've been on YouTube, right?
Yeah.